New rules introduced by the Ford government have led Shoppers Drug Mart and Galen Weston to wildly overbill the Ontario government. Because of course, as Doug Ford is privatizing our healthcare, Galen Weston is there to unethically bill us and make sure that we're paying through the nose. Shoppers has been charging the Ontario government upwards of $60 to $75 for unsolicited med checks. These are done without need, and typically family doctors are paid $38 when they do these in person. And large companies like Loblaws were only able to do this after COVID when changes were made, with family doctors also noting that these are a waste of their time and add to their workload burden without giving them any additional pay. With people online who have worked at both independent and corporate pharmacies pointing out just how often they were asked to do these when working at the larger corporations. At independent pharmacies, they were done occasionally. When working at Rexall, they were done 10 to 15 times a day. And the wild thing is, the College of Pharmacists do discipline people for this, but they can only discipline individual pharmacists and pharmacies, not the corporations that own them. So if a pharmacist at a corporate chain gets disciplined for doing too many meds checks, Shoppers can just replace them with a new pharmacist. These corporations view our pharmacists, integral parts of our healthcare system, as disposable. This is what private healthcare looks like. Overcharging for unnecessary things where the profits are going into the hands of mega corporations. Meanwhile, our tax dollars are being funneled into Galen Weston's pockets only for us to receive less services for those dollars. And while Trudeau and Singh are working towards a federal pharmacare program, I don't doubt that Doug Ford will do everything in his power to either make it fail or make it so that corporations take up the vast majority of the money being given to them by the feds. Because the same thing happened with all of the healthcare funding during COVID, and the same thing is happening with the daycare system right now. Doug Ford can't govern, either out of malice, out of incompetence, out of corporate greed, or all three.